favourites, and it's absolutely easy to make. So let's look at the ingredients you'll need to make this. You'll need some Greek yogurt, some almonds or any nuts of your choice, some saffron, and please try and get a good quality saffron. You'll also need some cardamom powder and some caster sugar, or you could even use powdered sugar if you like. What we need to do first is remove all the liquid from the actual yogurt. So in a cheesecloth, we're going to place the yogurt inside and leave this to hang for a minimum of 6 hours or overnight. I did mine overnight, and you'll see later on how thick the yogurt comes out. I actually hang this from the back of my chair in the dining room, just because it has that space to do so, and then leave a bowl underneath so it catches all the liquid that does come out. Here I'm just making sure to get every single bit of yogurt out of the carton, and you can't forget the lid. We don't want any wastage here at all. Once you've done this, gather the corners of the cheesecloth together and then hang it. And in this clip as well, you'll see it already starting to drip, and that's what we want. We want all the liquid out, and that will create a thicker Shrikhand at the end. While I left this to hang, I soaked a pinch of saffron in 2 teaspoons of warm milk. This is also optional. If you don't like saffron, you do not need to do this. For garnishing the Shrikhand, I'm going to use some almonds, and I'm going to slither them. You need to slither them carefully and not cut yourself. I am using a blunt knife, but sharp enough to slice nuts. You can also use any nuts that you like, or flaked almonds, which will be easier. I just like it this way because you get the brown skin of the almonds on the flakes as well. This is the next day, and my yogurt has been draining overnight, and look how thick it's come out. And here is a closer look for you guys, so you can just see how thick it is and all the liquid has been drained out. In a separate mixing bowl, I'm going to add this and add some sugar. I used 3/4 cup of sugar overall. I did add half a cup first, but then I needed another quarter just to get the right sweetness, so just adjust it according to your preference. And I also used half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, which I think is the perfect amount. You want to mix this nice and thoroughly. It is easier to use a whisk, which I'll use later on. You can also strain the yogurt beforehand if you prefer. That's what my mom does, but I feel like this method as well still creates a smoother Shrikhand. As the sugar dissolves into the yogurt mixture, it does become looser, so it's not as thick as it was before. The Shrikhand is actually ready right now, so this would be cardamom flavoured Shrikhand, and I'm just taking a bit out to eat later on. And to make the saffron flavoured Shrikhand, we're just going to add in our saffron milk that we made beforehand, and just look how beautiful that colour looks. And the longer you leave the Shrikhand, it'll get even yellower over time. So I'm just mixing it in nicely here, and you can see the texture, how thick and creamy this looks, and it just feels amazing on the mouth, well, in the mouth. And that's it. It's quick and easy to make. It's just draining the yogurt that takes a lot of time, but other than that, it's easy and it tastes really good. You just want to serve these up, and you can garnish them with the slivered almonds or any nuts of your choice, and some more cardamom powder or saffron. It's totally your choice. And look how cute they look in these mini milk churns. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Please definitely try out this recipe and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like my video and leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!